हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने यूनिट सेल के बारे में पढ़ा था. व्हाट इज यूनिट सेल एंड इट्स टाइप्स. सो यूनिट सेल इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट पोर्शन of lattice, crystal lattice possessing chief characteristics and as we know, in a unit cell there are 8 corners, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 12 edges. So in a unit cell there are 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Now types of unit cell. So there are mainly 2 types of unit cells. First is primitive type. First is primitive unit cell and second is centric or centered unit cell. First is primitive unit cell and second is centric or centered unit cell. So now we are going to study first primitive unit cell and then centric unit cell. So in primitive unit cell, a simple cube is considered like this. A simple cube is considered and in which there are 8 atoms on 8 corners, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So any unit cell consisting 8 atoms or spheres on 8 corners is known as primitive unit cell. So 8 atoms on 8 corners. So nothing else. Primitive unit cell is a simple cube, a cubic structure in which there are 8 atoms on 8 corners. Now second is centric unit cell और सेंटर यूनिट सेल भी कहते हैं. In centric unit cell there are 3 types. First is body center. First is body centered unit cell, also known as BCC. BCC means body centered cubic closed packing arrangement. Second is face centered unit cell. Second is face centered unit cell and third is end centered. So there are 3 types of centric unit cell: body centered, face centered and end centered. So now what is body centered unit cell? So in a unit cell if there are 8 atoms on 8 corners, if there are 8 atoms on 8 corners and 1 atom at center of body, 1 atom of center of body means एक क्यूब के 8 कॉर्नर पे 8 एटम्स हैं और एक एटम क्यूब के बीच में है. जैसे क्लासरूम है तो क्लासरूम के बीच में एक रहेगा और 8 कॉर्नर जो है वहाँ पे एक एटम रहेगा. या तो आप यूँ भी इसको इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि 4 मार्बल्स है एक दूसरे को टच करके उसके ऊपर एक मार्बल है और उसके ऊपर दूसरी 4 मार्बल्स है, बराबर। और फिर सारों के सेंटर को आप ज्वाइन करोगे तो आपको बीसीसी मिलेगा, बराबर। तो इसकी डेफिनेशन में ये था। अब इसकी डेफिनेशन में क्या है, तो इन बीसीसी सेंटर या बीसीसी यूनिट से there are 8 atoms on 8 corners and 1 atom at center of body, that is known as body center. Now face center. Face center in face center there are 8 atoms on 8 corners, and besides this there is 1 atom on each फेस। ये ऊपर की फेस है तो उसके एक सेंटर में रहेगा, ये इसके एक सेंटर में रहेगा, यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे। अगर ये आगे की फेस है तो एक यहाँ पे इसके सेंटर में, और ये पीछे की फेस है तो इसके सेंटर में। थोड़ा आपको इमेज वो या फिगर जो है वो लगेगी कॉन्जुगेटेड लगेगी, लेकिन 8 कॉर्नर्स पे और 6 फेसेस के सेंटर में एक है, राइट। सो द डेफिनेशन इज ऑफ फेस सेंटर यूनिट सेल, if there are 8 atoms on 8 corners and one atom at the center of each face, then the crystal structure or unit cell is known as face centered unit cell. Okay, now third is end centered unit cell. In end centered unit cell, the tube is like cuboid, not a perfect cube, and there are 8 atoms on 8 corners in end center. 8 atoms on 8 corners and one atom at opposite side. अब यहाँ पर कोई भी opposite side ले सकते हैं, बराबर। So definition will be that in end center there are 8 atoms on 8 corners and one atom at the center of opposite faces. At the center of opposite faces, या तो यूं भी लिख सकते हो कि at the center of one pair of opposite faces. If there is one atom and besides there 8 atoms are on 8 corners, then the structure is end center unit cell. So this was unit cell, a smallest portion possessing chief characteristics. Types: primitive, centric. Primitive means if the 8 atoms on 8 corners, it is primitive. Rather than 8 atoms, if one atom is at the center of body, it is BCC. If 8 atoms on 8 center and on the each face there are one atom, it is face center. And in end center there are 8 atoms on 8 corners and one atom at opposite face. Thank you. So we are going to start with packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means when spheres are arranged in a crystal cube, then some voids are seen here, which is vacant space. So the space occupied by sphere is known as packing efficiency. So the space occupied by spheres in crystal lattice is called packing efficiency. In short, it is written as PE. So now the vacant space is known as the space remaining vacant is called hollowness or void or interstitial space or vacant space. So now we are going to calculate packing efficiency in SCP. SCP means simple cube or primitive cube. In primitive cube, as we have already studied, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. But at each corner, the contribution of sphere is 1/8 part. If the atom is at face, then the contribution will be 1/2. And the contribution of sphere at edges is 1/4. So this 1/8 at corner, 1/2 at face and 1/4 at edge is going to be considered when calculating the packing efficiency. So in SCP, simple cube or primitive cube, the spheres are arranged in this way. So the centers are joined by straight line. Now these four atoms and their centers are joined. So some atoms are backside. So the centers of backside are also connected. So we obtain a cube. In my first lecture I have studied this. So this is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spheres and 4 backside. So a cube is here arranged, and from this figure, that 1, 2, 3 and 4 spheres are here shown. So from this center to this center, this is known as edge, and edge is denoted by small a. It is denoted by small a. So here the value of a is r plus r, that is 2r. So here edge a equals to 2r. Now we are going to calculate the total volume of cube. So total volume of cube is LBH. A cube, L into B into H. But here L is A, B is also A, H is A. So it will be A. 2R equals to volume A cube. So A cube equals to 2R, that is 8R cube. So this will be the volume of cube. Now spheres are stacked in the arrangement. So volume of sphere, as we have studied in lower standard, the 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here I have written 1. Why 1? So in SCP, in simple cube or primitive cube, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But at each corner, the atom contributor is 1/8. So total atom or sphere will be 1 by 8 at each corner, and the total corner is 8. So 8 corner pay 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 8, and that will be 1. So in SCP, the total atom, the number of total atom is always 1. So sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and kitne? So only 1. So this will be volume of occupied space or by sphere. So volume of cube, A cube, 8R cube, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now packing efficiency. So the formula of packing efficiency is volume occupied by sphere upon total volume of cube into 100. So volume occupied by sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cube is 8r cube from here into 100, and this will become 52.36%. So total packing efficiency in primitive cube or SCP simple cube will be 52.36. So 52.36% volume is occupied by spheres. So how much vacant space? So vacant space equals to 100 minus 52.36, and that will be 47.64. So this will be vacant space. So this was packing efficiency in SCP. And next we are going to study packing efficiency in BCC, body centered cubic arrangement. Thank you.